dong, I know you can hear me. Open up the door, I only wanna play a little. Ding dong, you can't keep me waiting. It's already too late for you to try and run away. Ding dong, I know you can hear me. Open up the door, I only wanna play a little. Ding dong, you can't keep me waiting. It's already too late for you to try and run away.
We'll take a walk down there. See if we can find it.
Kind of gives you the It vibes, doesn't it?
Yeah. Our second visit to Goatman's Bridge. We did another investigation. That's actually the first time we used the SB7 spirit box.
Alright, Goatman's Bridge Spirit Box session. Bridge is behind Sean there.
Bluetooth already opened.
It's ready, waiting for connection. Now in SB7 mode.
So Steve is the name they kept hearing. They said. Sorry?
Say that.
Is Steve the Goatman?
Goatman.
Is there anybody else that's here besides the Goatman? Is there anybody here that wants to talk to us at all?
Can you hear anything?
Huh?
Did you hear something?
Thought I might have heard Steve. Thought I might have. Is it Steve? Is that what I heard?
Does it?
Let's get a baseline of what's going on here.
See, ask if they remember us.
What's that?
Ask if they remember us.
Alright, I'm going to get a goat.
Mm-hmm.
I'll let it run one more time so I can see if it's doing it in the same spot.
Okay. Now we got a pretty good idea. We can tell if it's you or if it's actually just a radio station we're picking up. So, do you remember us from last time? Do you remember us from last time?
Sounded like a yes to me.
Okay, that's coming through. The two things that came through in the same spot that they did when I slowed it down. So that's just false artifact. There's not. Yeah, we're not getting anything.
Do you remember that flooded part of where we went out to Goatman's Bridge originally, and it was all flooded, and we could only take
Oh
video?
yeah, that place, man. Yeah, yeah. So that place we were actually able to go into this
Yeah,
time.
we were able
So
to walk into it.
we actually went into the swamp. We were able to walk into the swamp, and a lot of interesting things there. There's some little hand-built, I guess you would, we call them shelters, but
Yeah, like bushcrafting shelters or
yeah,
something,
yeah.
where homeless people might sleep or something.
Or
Or
Goatman.
Goatman. Yeah,
Or
Goatman.
Goatman. I mean, he's not out there, with brick and mortar.
There's a lot of things painted on trees out there. I think we saw Get Out. We saw an upside down cross. Well, we saw a lot of upside down crosses.
And the symbols. There was a
Mhm.
lot of symbolism on the trees out there. Um, some of them we knew what they were, some of them not. All right, we're back in business. First spirit box section didn't get anything, so we're gonna head back up towards the bridge. We'll go across it, do another spirit box session on top of it, and see what we can get under the bridge. And those dosaritas sounding good.
I know.
Enchiladas and dosaritas. That goes pretty far around.
We're gonna have to take a whole day to actually explore this place.
Yeah. I didn't bring a flashlight. I mean, I got some in the car. I just didn't bring it with me. I meant to throw one in my pocket in case we were out here. Got a little darker.
Good thing you didn't put your coffee in the car anyway.
Get us both in the shot. If you trip or fall, I got that shit on camera.
Got it on camera.
Old ass television.
Oh, tube television.
Yeah. Like, I don't know.
So many wives, you don't know which way to go.
It's creepy.
That's where that flood was, right?
Yeah, look at this. Last time we were here, all this was underwater. I saw this from back here. Doesn't that look like a person standing there, or what? Back there with them, freak me out. I don't remember that from last time, do you?
I don't know, but that sounds like a good idea, man. Come out here and brush some of these stumps up.
Scare the shit out of me. Yeah, all this was swampy and underwater, and they had a fire going. Huh?
That tree's holding up. That little tree's holding up that river.
Oh wow.
Run. That's raw. Look at that. They had a fire down here and everything.
Yeah, I noticed that big termite pile over there on the end of that fall. You.
Value your life.
Is that what it says?
Mm-hmm. Do you value your life?
This over here. I think they're.
Number 6.
I think you can see it from here. Pretty clear message.
The Blue Cross.
You can see it now. I don't know if the camera will pick it up that far away.
This was all underwater last time we were here.
Now you can see it. Pretty,
And that one says, hurry.
pretty clear message, I think. Right here.
And there it says, run. Get out. It's the stuff we didn't get to see last time. Be interesting to see if we could see any of that on the trees though from...
Going back to the footage.
Yeah. There's some more. Just regular graffiti on that side. I'm pretty sure that's an upside down cross. And there's another upside down cross over here. Definitely. Yep.
It's be cool, like in the video. You know how to do it, probably. Like when I'm pointing at it right here and making that with my finger. It actually does it on the bit. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, we can definitely do that.
This is so much nicer. You gotta try this shit than that. This is cool. I like this thing, man. Gotta make a little more of an angle here, though. There we go.
Here's some more time to do some photographs for this one.
Yeah. I mean, that's...
Not a good shelter, but it might have been at one time.
Yeah.
We better get on the other side of the bridge before it gets...
The Aztec death whistle. Yeah, we used it at Goatman's Bridge, and we used it before the spirit box session. And sure enough, we did get some activity on the spirit box after using that death whistle.
We did get some answers to some of the questions we were asking.
Okay. Is that a good picture?
Yeah, we're good.
Let's do this a couple times, see if we can get anything in there.
No responses. Said no responses.
Freeze the magic number out here, right?
Yep.
It's ready. Waiting for connection. Now in SB7 mode.
Good.
I'm definitely gonna have to bring a tripod next time.
Oh, I can't see me kneeling down.
Well, just my hands aren't very sturdy.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can see me kneeling down. Alright. This is really good to get to. Were you summoned by the ritual that they gave you?
Nope.
Tell us again. Were you summoned by the ritual that was done Is there anyone here? Does anyone want to talk to us? Any questions you want to ask, Trinity?
Do you remember us from last time?
Do you remember us from last time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are there evil spirits out here?
Are there evil spirits out here?
Obvious.
Yeah, after that.
Have the spirits here harmed anybody? Maybe? Just scare them?
Go on, man.
Apologize.
It just stopped. I hit sweep rate to slow it down.
Yeah.
And that's what it did.
It got louder and then it just stopped.
No, I tried.
Do you want to scare us?
What did we use on the bridge last time?
I mean, we got a couple of good things on that.
Yeah.
The balloons, that new stuff on the other side.
That's some good footage.
Guess it's time to go get a special reader.
We did get a couple things.
That's really not good video.
Should have brought.
Oh, yeah, the EMF.
EMF. And
Oh, the digital voice recorder.
there's too noisy. All this fucking road noise and shit, you won't be able to tell. So what do you think, man? Here's to the next 1,000 views, man.